everybody, how you doing? We are back from a quilt retreat. You know what happens when you go on a quilt retreat? I call it, what is it? Snoop Dogging. And so you go to different stores and see what they have. So when I came back, guess what? We had some new fabric to highlight. So this week I want to discuss with you something that I made on Quilt Retreat. It's called Safari Life. It's made by Moda Fabrics, and it's a great interactive book for young children. As you can see here, this was easily made in a day or less, and it has different pages that you can interact with children. And the best part about it, it's a little book that you can take in the car and keep them busy. And also, there's two little puppets included that have a little nice pocket to put them right in so they can't lose them. This panel comes pre-packaged on our wall like this. It is $13.49, and if you purchase it here in the store, it's an additional 20% off. The panel will come to you when you open it, just like this, and you cut out your pieces and you sew them together. The only additional thing you need to do is interfacing. And there you go. Cute. This would be a great addition to anybody's Easter basket. So think about that and make it hop along into that basket.